It was introduced in the Crystal exhibition in 1851, and they came out with a line of dinnerware. It's a lead-based, glazed-based pottery, very porous, and it's fired at a really high temperature. So what happens over the years is that the pieces continue to dry, and as they dry, they become more brittle and porous. So you'll see a lot of chipping and a lot of pieces that have a lot of grazing on it. You'll see because of the way it's fired at a high temperature, so it continues to dry. This one is fan relief on a bamboo pitcher, whereas this is a corn with the corn stalks rising up from the corn. It's really natural display of outdoor motif, and you can see it in here with the leaves and the fern pattern with the flowers, and this is the Greek border on it, so that's another continuation of the outdoor motif. Here you can see large leaf pattern, and there's another extension of large leaf pattern, and you'll see all the way through the themes in here. This is a seaweed pattern, very popular, made by the Crushing Company. This is a beautiful platter behind it. Here's another motif with lily pads and water lilies with a little bud on the top. So there's a earthy tone with outdoor sea and forest motifs with leaves and flowers that you'll see on a lot of these pieces that are in the shapes of actually shells. And here's the shape of a pineapple over here. So you'll see an extension from all of these outdoor themes from high relief lead glazed pottery.